Hi everyone, my name is Nikki Parks. This is my case study over Everyday Counts. In the summary, we have a new principal at Golden Oak High School who has realized that the student attendance rates are poor. He has decided to focus on 5 students who have missed 10 days or more of school this year. He's revisiting those files and he is trying to streamline and fix his attendance protocols. So the legal issues are, of course, dated back to even 1944's case of Prince versus Massachusetts. Children have a right to education, and that right is protected by law. Parents need to get their kids into school. Ethically speaking, we have gray areas. We see that in high school all the time. Athletic directors, it sounds like, are taking advantage of some kind of easier policies for attendance for athletes. Some extracurricular organizations could be doing the same thing, and he needs to kind of make these policies a little more official. That is our ethical area. Golden Oaks High School needs to share the same vision, which is making student attendance a priority. People involved. We have all stakeholders, meaning teachers, students, administrators, social services, athletic directors, counselors. The place is our high school, also the neighboring homes, and the local court system is also involved. To prioritize our information, poor attendance can be damaging to stakeholders and community members. It is true especially regarding our future. In my orange highlighted font here, I have my standard link, which is to promote the current and future success and well-being of each student and adult. We should be focusing on them getting into school, being there every day as often as they can. Additionally, down lower in my third paragraph, or actually my final paragraph, I will seek advice from other districts that have successful programming for their attendance policies. I'll always be one to see what works from others and use it if I can. Options and possible consequences. Option 1, do nothing. The problem will get worse. Option 2 is my most comprehensive plan of action, being I need to form committees or use the committees I have and brainstorm a survey to get out to teachers, to parents, to students even, and use those survey results to make changes. Option 3 I really like as well, which is to have the students create videos, infographics, digital presentations, upload those onto media, get those on our school websites, and get this new mission out to anyone who's involved and needs to help with that. By evaluating my options, obviously number 1 is not going to work. Gray areas are not good for school success. Option 2, by meeting with those involved in this option, I can also formulate a plan and basically get some one-on-one feedback from them, finding out why they think that they have the right to excuse absences and things like that. Just letting them know that I know and it's time to start changing our attendance policies. Sometimes conversations is all you really need to have to make the change. Positively thinking, option 3, I like getting the students involved and getting them, creating those infographics and presentations digitally to promote our school in any way I can, or they can. The best option is a combination of all of my options, my second and third option, that is. Definitely not the first option. So I highlighted my link to my standard there. All involved should understand and demonstrate the capacity to evaluate, develop, and advocate for a data-informed, equitable resourcing plan to help improve our schools. My plan of action, therefore, is to get my stakeholders involved as best I can, use the survey and those results to help improve our management, our communication of attendance policies, using that campaign to help my kiddos. Will encourage them to get involved by designing some infographics and things like that. Just basically trying to get all of the team together, working together as best we can. That would be my plan of action. I've listed my standards that I linked and connected in within my presentation. And thank you for listening. I appreciate it.